Have you ever been to El Mirage?
I've never been to El Mirage.
Okay. Well, it's a very challenging form of land speed racing.
Yes.
It was harder for me than this was.
It feels like when you leave the line at El Mirage in the 911, you dump the clutch out and you're ready at the finish line. It happens so quick. It's crazy. A lot of what this driving is, because if you think it's already too late, you're offside the course, you're already, screwed up. The course goes away really quick. Bonneville, we don't change courses until every couple days. At El Mirage, that course is already starting to get chewed up by mid-morning. So you're, John and I always say you're racing on strawberry fields. It's a bunch of dirt marbles. So you learn real quick. Watch out for different colored dirt. Try to navigate the car.
Interesting.
And you coming up really fast in the 911, you see some really bad chewed up spots. You're already quarter mile away or more trying to push the car away from that, because you hit that and you can just go up in the wheel spin.
Yeah. Huh. That's interesting.
Yeah.
$235.179, $235.179 for car 911. $240.440, $240.440 on that run. All right, well, 911 is a turnout. It may not have cleared out for us. That's a bummer for 911. Sorry, guys. Hoping for a good run on that one for you. Really did sound good, though. All clear. Here we go. 911 on course now. Sideways off the push truck, and away he goes, keeping that beast together. Heading down course. Get it, Donnie. Going for a 254 class record with that AA Blown Fuel Roadster. He's down and a little fat. Sounds like he's kind of struggling with it a little bit. Probably he's in and out of the power. What are you going to get? We'll find out here in half a second. 221.686, 221.686 as he was pedaling it basically the whole time off the push truck down course.
Today, the end of the course gets a little bit rough, and we're going to try to keep it together as much as we can. Go easy on the brakes and use your chute. So as soon as you get past that or right as you're coming up to it, pull that chute and easy on the brakes.
All right, Keith and I have a quick announcement. So I spent the last 5 years building my new car, been rushing the last few weeks to get it done, and totally forgot that my helmet's out of date. So I'm up here with my new car, and I don't have a helmet I could use. So I'm pleading with you this morning. I'm looking for a big-ish, extra large, or possibly a 2X. You got a spare? All right, awesome, thank you.
All right, thanks. That's what this is all about, so thank you very much. All right, a couple other quick things. I'd be remiss in saying, hey, as you all know, we're going to have some wind today. We're going to run as long as we can, but we're expecting that from the forecast that this afternoon's going to be pretty iffy, or maybe not. Remember, it's a two-day event, and if we still have a little bit of course, we won't move it over, but if we don't have a course, we'll move it over, so we'll take a look at that tonight. The other thing that's important to know is about 3/4 the way down the track, that is probably right now the weakest place in the track. So after some runs are put down in there, if you're driving and you get down to about 3/4, just start paying attention, because it may be a little soft when you come through that, and then it'll probably end up going all the way to the end. So that's the course conditions that we got. So drivers, just be aware of that.
now. Car number 911, AA Blown Fuel Modified Roadster, Cummins, Beck, Davidson, Thornsberry. Off the push truck, favoring the center of the course. Darting over to the right side of the course. Looking for classic 54.507. 264.062 for car number 911. Take the impound, guys. Congratulations. That is a new record.
What did it do?
264. You put 10 on that puppy, man. That is so awesome, man.
Oh my
You
God.
are driving the hell out of this.
Oh, it's all over the place.
God damn it, Donnie. Great job. Great job. You got pins?
Yeah, they're in the truck.
Okay. Well, just relax. You want a bottle of water or something?
Good job, brother.
Oh, wow.
At the end of the week to just get us all laps and stuff. Dave's always been great about that, trying to give other team members. He understands that everyone comes out here at their own time, they bust their ass, and they really try hard. And,
Probably why he's successful at all of it, because
well,
you understand that.
He's a wonderful guy.
Yeah.
So and he's always in the corner. You know, he's not really outspoken.
No.
But if you get to know him, yeah.
Oh, well, let me just